Hello Data Science Addict, welcome to the SQL Interview Playlist Day 2. Today we will discuss another question, so let's get started. You have three tables, employees, departments and salaries. The employees table has the following columns, employee ID, employee name and department ID. The departments has the following columns, department ID and department name. And at the last, the salary table has the column as employee ID, salary, and effective date. Now, you need to write a SQL query to retrieve the employees who has the highest salary increase within the last year, along with their names, departments, and the percentage increase. Now, in this question, you have three tables, employee, department, and salary, and we need to find out the employee who has the highest salary increase within the last year, along with their name, department, and the percentage increase. So now, first of all, let's see the snap of this data. So this is the employee table and this is the data. Now here we are having the department table with the data. And at the last table, we are having the salary with this data. So now let's deep dive how we can solve this problem. Now, first of all, as we all know, we need to combine all the table to each other. For that, we will utilize the concept of joins and combine all the source of data together. As we know, for joining, we need the common key in both the table. We'll look the column in each table and find out the common keys. Apart from that, in this question, it is asked to get the percentage increase in the salary. For that, we need to get the previous year's salary for every employee. And for that, we can utilize the concept of lag. Why? Because it gives us the previous rows. As you can see in the question, we can utilize various concepts of SQL like window function, and also we can see the solution for this problem first, and then we'll discuss more on this concept of for the solution. Okay, so now first it will create a common table expression called salary changes to join the salaries, employees and department table and retrieve the relevant data. Next, the lag function is used to get the previous salary for each employee based on the effective date. Now, within the common table expression, we filter the data to include only records from the last year using the dateAdd function. In the main part of the query, it selects the employee's name, department, current salary, previous salary, and calculates the percentage increase in salary. It filters the results to include only those where the current salary is greater than or previous salary. That is your salary increase. So finally, it orders the result by percentage increase in descending order and limits the result to one row, which represents the employee with the highest salary increase in the last year. Now finally, we'll use distinct to retrieve only unique customer ID values. So each customer appears only once in the result. Now here are some takeaways. From here we learn the utilization of common table expressions and how it improves query readability and maintainability. And they allow you to break down the complex queries into smaller and more manageable parts, and how to define window function and their purpose. The utilization of lags will let you to access the value from previous rows in a result set. Manipulation with date allows you to add or subtract time from dates. Combine CTE. CTE is nothing but your common table expression, lag, dateAdd, and window function to solve a practical problem. Hope you understand the concept. Do like, share, and comment for more such concepts.